seconds. Number 5. Both teams out there tonight. Remaining time 48 seconds. 48 seconds. Tatlo lang buwan lang na Altasad.
Panalo, number 24, no? No?
Ulan sira ya?
Tikay. Ini bagus Bogi. Sarap yung laban na yan.
46 seconds pa po yan. Rebound by number 6. Number 8, foul. Penalty. Both teams are on penalty na. Mga red teams.
67-64, 3 points lead by Altasads. Remaining time is
44 seconds.
44 seconds. Number 6, first free throw. Nagel.
Wala.
Okay, jumpers, get ready. Jumpers, get ready.
Second throw. Wala na rin.
Foul. Nice foul.
Number 6.
Penalty.
Number 6, fifth personal and final foul. You are out of the ball game now.
41 seconds left.
41 seconds ang natitira.
Aizon is on the line for the penalty. The first free throw of Aizon. Nagel.
Wala rin. Ang unang tira, wala rin.
Okay, jumpers, get ready, jumpers. The score is 67-64. 3 points lead by Altasads.
41 seconds.
By number 3, aims and shoots. No good. Rebound by number 2. No good. Follow up. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Oh, foul. Foul by number 8. Penalty. Take 2. Time out. Ha ha. Time remaining now.
28 seconds. Sige sir, automatic na. Pagka may time out, automatic na po yung substitution.
Patira agad.
It's an exciting ball game. The first ball game for the weekend. First day of Faisal Sports Park between Altasads and Haha. The score is 69-64. 5 points lead by Altasads. Time remaining is 28 seconds. Asmad will take the 2 free throws as he was fouled in the penalty station. First free throw by Asmad. Aims and shoots. Nagel. Jumpers get ready. A very exciting ball game for tonight. Asmad aims and shoots the ball. No good steal. Rebound by number 15. Foul. Good foul. Just to kill the time. Number 41 foul. Number 15.
27 seconds.
Penalty.
27 seconds.
Both teams have penalty. 27 seconds. 27 segundos mga Exxon.
Playing center of Altasads. Now on the line for the penalty. First free throw by number 15. Yes, 1 point. Additional burden for the AHA team. Jumpers, get ready. This will be the last free throw of number 15. Franco. Franco dribbling and aims and shoots. Franco, Franco for the rebound. Franco, aims again. Yes, for 2. And a point.
Basket foul. Number 41. Pushing foul.
Red.
25 seconds remaining.
Okay, bonus shot. Jumpers, get ready. 15 aims and shoots. No goal. Rebound by number 15 again. Foul. Good foul by number 12.
Number 12 giving another foul.
He wants to stop the clock.
22 seconds.
He's looking for some miracle with this last, how many seconds? 22 seconds. Again, number 15 will be on the line for penalty. First free throw. And never. Okay, jumpers, get ready, jumpers. 72-64. Branco aims and shoots. Yes, 1 point. Recorded. Number 22, Asma, the playmaker, give it to number 12. Oh, intercepted by number 7. This time, it's clearly winning by foul.
12 seconds remaining.
Haha is rendering the flag because of the lead.
41 giving his last foul.
9 points lead.
It's fourth personal foul for number 41.
A miracle can save Haha for this game. Number 7 again on the free throw line. As he was fouled for penalty. Number 7 aims and releases the ball. Another jumper. Get ready.
12 seconds remaining.
Okay, 12 seconds. Only one set play by Haha. Let us see. Last free throw. Rebound by number 15 and the follow up again. Number 15 is
8.
Number 13 takes the 3. Follow up by number 41. That counts. Yes, that counts. That counts. The ball counts. Thank you very much. Seconds.